Here, I welcome to all my dear students, myself Dr.J.K.Sali. Today, we are going to learn Chapter 3, Management at Work, the process of organizing and staffing. Process of organizing and meaning and definition of organizing. So, let's start with the process of organizing. Management at work, the process of organizing and staffing. Meaning and definition of organizing. Organization is a mechanism which is created to achieve common goal with the help of employee to employee and employee to work relationships. It is one of the important functions of management. It is a process of knowing and classifying the work to be done. The responsibility and authority of each employee and establishing a pattern of relationship for the purpose of them to work most effectively the objective determined in advance. The function managers design, structure all the components of an organization for the attainment of organizational objective. The definition of organization. Organizing is the process of defining and grouping the activities of the enterprise and establishing the authority relationships among them. In this slide, now we will discuss process of organizing. The first point is determining the objectives the organization. This is the first step in organizing, in which the top level management determines the common objectives of organization. Similarly, departmental objectives are fixed by middle level management and at the lower level, supervisory management is the day-to-day objectives. Thereafter, next point is identifying the activities to be done. In this second step, the top level management prepares a list of various activities to be carried out, achieving its common goal. These activities related to various functions of an organization. It is important to ensure that there will not be any duplication of work, of efforts. Next point is grouping the similar activities. Activities are identified in next step, group together to make departments. For example, separate finance department is created for activities are related finance. Similarly, the other departments as production, purchase, and marketing are created. The similar activities leads to specialization and division of labor. Next point is determining responsibilities of each employee. This step, responsibility of each employee is clearly determined. This removes confusion of employees and ensures completion of work within time limit. It results in increased efficiency of employees, knows what exactly he has to do. Next point is delegating authority to employees. Authority includes the right to give orders to subordinates, get the work done. Without authority, employees cannot fulfill their responsibilities. Each employee is given adequate authority. Authority given to employee should be equal to the responsibility given to him. Thereafter, next point is fixing authority relationship. Two or more people work together for a common objective. It is essential clearly define the relationship between them. They should know who is boss, whose instruction he has to follow, and to whom he will be liable. Thereafter, next point is giving all required resources to employees. Determining relationship of authority and responsibility of each and every person. Employees are given required resources such as money, material, and other facilities. And the last point is coordinating efforts of all to achieve goals. This is often the final step in organizing process. This step, efforts of all the people and departments brought together and coordinator towards the common targets of an organization. The authority is not there. The person occupying various positions would head and responsible for the attainment of the result. The positions are designed in this aspect we need to attention to the more managerial concept such as authority, responsibility, accountability, delegation, and decentralization. So, these were the various process of organizing. Thank you.